Whether it's for your home, office, or any indoor space, air conditioning plays a crucial role in keeping us comfortable during hot days. The usage of air conditioning systems all around the world and its effectiveness begins to step high after the invention of most compact, modern and stylish air conditioning technology called split air conditioning. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of split air conditioners to know what they are, how they work, and the key components that make them so effective. If you haven't seen our previous video on the refrigeration cycle, make sure to check it out, because that's the heart of all cooling applications, such as chillers, refrigerators, and of course air conditioners. Welcome to Mr. Smart Engineering. In a split air conditioning, the cooling process is split and done with the help of two different units: the indoor unit or IDU and the outdoor unit or ODU. That's the reason why these type of ACs are called split ACs. But why split them up? Imagine you had a refrigerator inside a room. All the cooling appliances has two important parts, and refrigerators usually have them at their back side: a compressor and a condenser. During operation, in order to cool the space inside refrigerator runs the compressor, which produces a disturbing noise. And also condenser dissipates heat into the room, making it hot and uncomfortable. But after few minutes the compressor and heat dissipation from condenser stops, as the space inside refrigerator has reached the defined temperature. But it is not the scenario when it comes to air conditioning. Assume an air conditioner designed to have all the components combined as a single unit. Similar to the refrigerator, the compressor will start when the AC is started, and the condenser starts dissipating the heat inside the room. Now your room fails to achieve the defined temperature as cooling and heating is happening at the same time. This makes the system ineffective, resulting in the system being operated over long time and producing prolonged noise as long as the operation continues. Same time, it will also weaken all the major mechanical movable components. To overcome all these difficulties, an split AC system is made. This system is energy efficient, noiseless, and requires less frequent maintenance. Both the units in the split AC systems have some major components working together to provide the efficient air conditioning. An outdoor unit consists of compressor, condenser, expansion valves, and fan unit. All these components works together to perform three main processes of a cooling cycle: compression, condensation, and expansion. During operation, the compressor inside ODU compresses the low-pressure refrigerant gas, producing high-pressure and high-temperature fluid, which is then passed to condenser coils. At condenser, the high-pressure refrigerant releases heat to the surrounding air with the help of fan unit, cooling down and condensing into a high-pressure and low-temperature liquid. The high-pressure liquid after condensation is passed through expansion valve, which reduces the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant. The cold refrigerant is now passed to the indoor unit or IDU. Similar to outdoor unit, an indoor unit also contains many main components such as evaporator, blower unit, which is also referred as IDU fan unit, blower motor, filter, temperature sensor, control circuit boards. With all these components, an IDU perform all the important operations to maintain temperature and comfort indoor environment. IDU is typically the heart of an split AC system, performing the most important process of the cooling cycle called evaporation. The cold refrigerant from outdoor unit now enters into the evaporator coils of indoor unit. In the evaporator, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the hot air inside room, which is blown over the evaporator coil by blower fan, evaporating into a low-pressure and hot refrigerant. And this low-pressure refrigerant is compressed again. This cycle repeats until the desired cooling inside the room is achieved. The cold air is produced as a result of convective heat transfer between evaporator coil and hot air blown over them. It is circulated inside the room after filter unit, which helps us to have a fresh and dust-free breathing air inside. The temperature of the room is monitored in real time by the temperature sensors installed. And cyclic process is controlled by control boards based on temperature sensor input. And there you have it. A complete overview of how split air conditioners work and their main components. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching and stay cool.